dolls, welcome back to another video. So today I am doing a makeup tutorial. This video was going to be a get ready with me, but unfortunately my plans has changed. I'm still going to get ready, I'm still going to do a video, but yeah, this hair I know you guys gonna have questions about. I did just review this hair, so you guys will get that video soon, so look out for that. You guys always ask me about my hair, but it won't be in this description of this video yet because it's not up yet. So it should be up very soon, so make sure you guys look out for a wig review. It will be this hair. This is a human wig, this is not synthetic. This is a human unit that I'm wearing. So I'm using my Makeup Revolution brow pencil for this tutorial. Oh, and happy Friday. It's Friday. I hope you guys Friday is going well and, you know, smoothly. Mine is okay. I'm here, thank God. I'm seeing another day, you know. It's not the end of the world, but my day is okay. Hopefully tomorrow it'll be a little bit better, but I'm here, I'm breathing, I'm talking to you guys, which makes me happy. So that's all that really matters. For my concealer, I'm taking my Neutrogena and my Born. I am starting my video a little bit earlier than I have been lately. I kind of like the late videos though. I kind of like doing my makeup at 7, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock at night. Like, I kind of like that. It's 4:27. It is a little bit later than I usually would start. I'll usually start like 10, 12 evening time, but so yeah, I'm not really having the best day, but I'm pushing myself to do a video, and I'm pushing myself because I really want to put on makeup and get glammed. I don't know what I'm really doing for the day. It is a Friday, so just in case changes are changed, I'll be ready. So yeah, whatever y'all. But I took out my Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette. If you AOG, you'll know about this palette. I use this palette faithfully, like all the time in my videos, and I'm like, oh my god, I miss this palette. I have not used this in forever. So I took this out and I'm like, I want to play with it today. So we're gonna play with this palette today and see what look we come up with, because I never know what I'm doing. First, let me set my lid though. Let me set my lid. So I'm gonna go right to my lid. I'm gonna go right onto my lid, you guys. And usually my lid is like, my lid color is my last color I take, but this time today I'm gonna hop right onto the lid, and the color I'm taking is this purple right here from this palette. Packing it on any type of way. You don't have to put it on perfect. I'm just kind of like, well, don't be too messy. But I'm just packing it on. And I'm kind of going up my crease. So I'm pulling it a little bit up there. I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to blend that part up there where I took it up there to my crease. I'm just blending that out. Then I'm going back with the brush and I'm just blending it out up here so that it can have a smooth transition, you know. Okay, so I think I want to keep this one shadow look going. I really like this. It's very pretty. Like, I think I like this a lot. So I think I'm going to keep this one shadow thing going. I've been telling you guys, I've been liking the simplistic looks. And it's just been my thing lately, you know. Like, this is giving me definitely spring. So this is perfect for this time right now. This look I'm doing. I'm taking my liner. And I don't know if I want to do a wing though. I'm not going to do a wing, you guys. I'm going to leave it like this. And I'm going to put on my double lashes. I don't know who lashes these are, but I know I doubled 2 pair together. So if you want this look, try doubling 2 full lashes together. And so you can achieve this eyelash look. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my lashes. And then come back to you guys. Okay, you guys can see I have a whole bunch of fallout. Don't mind that. I'm just going to go over that with my foundation. I'm not even going to wipe it with my makeup wipe. Because I think I only got one left. And I need to use that to take off this face when I'm done with it for today. So, we're not even going to do that. Probably a bad idea what I'm doing. But I'm just letting y'all know. Okay. I'm taking my E.L.F Flawless Satin Foundation. I had already put on my MAC Prep and Prime. So this has already been applied to my skin. Now I am applying my foundation. And you guys, my shade is Cinnamon. Alright, to conceal my under eye, I'm going to take my NYX Born to Glow. And this is in Warm Caramel. So I'm going to take this first. I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer now, and this is to bright the areas I want to bright, which is really under my eye. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and blend this out. see me set my concealer with my powder. Now I'm setting the remaining of my face. You guys know what I like to use to set the rest of my face with, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poorless in the shade 355 Coconut. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, but I used to take this this palette and use it for my contour, so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to take this one here first. I used to mix this and this one together, so I'm going to do both of these. I think I have grown out of that, so I'm going to take my other contour palette. So I'm going in with the black Radiance contour palette, and this is in medium to dark. I'm going to take the dark one, the real deep tone, and take a little bit. As you guys can see, it's a heavy contour. I don't need too much. I'm going back in with that purple eyeshadow, and I'm placing that same purple right under my lid. Now for my lips, so let me spray my face. I'm gonna spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter, because it looks a bit dry. For my blush, I'm using the Milani Spiced Rose blush. And I'm going to do my highlight last. I'm going to move to my lips. I do want to say this because I've said this before. I know I've talked about like not using the same color, matching the same color eyeshadow with my lips, but for this look I think it'll be very pretty. We're gonna try to see what it looks like. I'm taking my NYX Matte lip liner, and this is in Vintage, and I'm just gonna outline, I'm gonna line my lips with this just a little bit. Okay, and I'm taking, someone sent me this lip gloss, a brand called True Doll Beauty, and I have it in the shade Bury Me, and I believe this is matte. The last time I used it, I believe it's matte. And oh my goodness, the last time I wore this, I was just like, oh, it's so pretty. I think I just vamped this look. I really just vamped it up. with this lip. Now if I would have did something more on the lighter side, of course nude, then it probably would have made this look more spring. But this could be a spring night look, a summer night look, you know. Makeup has really no rules. You can do whatever you want. That's so pretty. I'm gonna wait until this dries. It's gonna dry a little bit, so yeah, I love this though. Okay, and I'm gonna while my lips dry, I'm gonna use my MAC highlights. I'm gonna highlight with this today. This is basically the finished look. I'm going to change my top so you guys can get a vibe of the look. I don't know if my robe is throwing y'all off, but I'm going to change my top real quick and then come back on camera. I just changed my top because it just wasn't giving me what it needed to give me, and my lips dried, and I really love this look. It's so pretty. Tell me what y'all think about it. I normally don't match my eyeshadow with my lips. The thing about it is my eye purple and my lip purple is two different purples. I feel like that's what makes it look even more pretty. Like, it's just different. And if you guys wondering about this top, I got this top from Shein last year. I wore this in California when I went to California for my birthday, and I did not take any pictures with it. Still probably not gonna take no pictures today in it. But I also got it in I think it's a green. I got olive green. It's so pretty. This is the look, y'all. I hope y'all like it, and make sure you comment down below. Tell me your thoughts. If this is your first time watching, make sure you subscribe so you can become one of my baby dolls. I love you, baby dolls, so much, and I'll see y'all in my next video.